honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, today we're going to be working on another self-love journal page. I work with you guys my very first page on this beautiful journal that I created, and we did this together on the last video. If you guys missed the tutorial on how I created this beautiful gorgeous page, I will link it at the bottom of the video. And if you guys follow me, then you would know that I created a self-love junk journaling book for myself, just to document things that really make me happy. So on the next spread, I have something that I want to document, and I want to actually you know, put in my journal to keep me going with this amazing idea that I have. So I talked to you guys about this in the last video, and I told you guys about how I am into plants now, and I purchased this aloe vera plant. And the funny thing about it is my mom had purchased the same one for me, and she had given it to me that same day. And so I thought it was just hilarious how we both were kind of like in the same thoughts. And so I kept a little package of the beautiful plant that she gave me. I'm going to show you. It looks beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. The plant. This is the one right here. She is growing like crazy. She was very tiny when she gave this plant to me, and she looks like she's very happy, and she's even having little babies right there. So yeah, so we're gonna document a very easy, simple spread using this little paper that I have here. Okay, so let me bring you a little bit closer to me. So what I decided to do with this spread is very simple. I found this sort of like a little note card in my junk journaling suitcase, and I'm going to be using these papers from this pad that I have been really loving lately, and I've been using a lot. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to create a very simple spread. So my idea behind it is I wanted to add this paper over this area right here. I wanted to add this note card over this area, and then I wanted to add another paper inside the note card, just like that. Okay, so let's do that first, and then we can continue on. So I'm using double-sided tape for this. And I'm also going to put some double-sided tape on back here, because what I want to also do is I want to write a little bit of a small journaling on the story behind this image right here. And so I'm giving myself a little bit of space for that. So if I put this way here, I can actually journal whatever I want to journal in here about my little image. And that's what I'm planning to do. So before I glue this down, I want to add this one onto this side right here. Okay, so let's remove these backing for the double-sided tape. I'm really having fun doing this self-love junk journaling. It just really puts me in a good place, and I'm actually enjoying doing this. So I hope that if you guys actually thought about doing this, I would hope that you would let me know at the bottom of this video if you're doing it, and if it's actually working for you. Because it sure is working for me. It keeps me busy and it keeps me from not thinking so many things that right now is going on in the world. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to add this here in this area right there. And what I'm going to do is, see, when you open this up like this, you have this beautiful here, this beautiful paper. This is where I'm going to be documenting whatever I want to write. And now I'm going to add this paper over this area right here. Okay. There you have it. Now, my idea was I'm going to staple this onto this right here. So when this flips over, it flips like that. That's my idea. But before I do that, I want to add some images onto this area and onto this area. And that's where I found this gardening little card. And I love these images of these plants right here. And so I thought I can probably cut these out and add them sporadically in my two beautiful plant paper. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to cut these out. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to see, I have 3 and I have 3, so I'm going to put 3 here basically this way like this. Okay, and I'm going to put 3 on this side as well. Or we can actually put it like this. Let's see here, maybe the center. And then maybe I'm going to put this in the center as well. Okay. And then I can journal in here. So I kind of, can you guys see that? I kind of like that like that. So, okay, so let's do this one first. So as you can see that like that. And I'm just going to basically glue these down on here. I might do, no, I'm just going to glue them down. I'm not going to do dimension. It'll just be too bulky. So I'm just going to glue them down using my double-sided tape. I wonder if I can do it like this, and like that. Kind of like it like that. Okay, let's glue this down. Let's glue this one down. And glue this one down. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing with, with this page right here. Same idea. Just like that. Maybe this one we can do it on this side. Like that. Since this one goes this way, we're going to put this one this way. Yep, like that. Very good. Coming out super cute. My page. I love this self-love journaling idea. Okay, peel this off. Wait, we said we were going to put this. Here. I'm going to put this one. Here. And then this one we're going to put right there. Beautiful. Now, whatever I want to journal, I can put it right here if I want. And that is exactly how I love how this page looks. Now, I want to staple this over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my stapler and I'm going to staple on both ends. Okay, so I want to staple this on this end. And I want to staple this on this end. Beautiful. And that is how my page is going to look. I love it. When I see this, this is absolutely amazing. I love it. I would flip it over and I get to see these gorgeous images here. And I'm going to write down some good journaling on this side right here. And then this little sign that says things that go wrong. It's really cute, but I'm going to save it for the next next time, if I need to use it, I can actually journal using this. So it's not really garbage. It's more like kind of save it for next time maybe. So at the end of the day, my journaling page is going to look like this. I kind of do like this idea. It's very simple, very plain, but I personally love it, and I think that it is gorgeous. I can always go back and add some more little details if I really wanted to my pages over here. But I think I'm going to keep it this way. I kind of like it this way. To me it looks very simple, but I like the look of it. And yeah, and that is how I created my second spread for my self-love junk journaling book. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me make this video for you. I hope that you got some good ideas. I will be making more for you guys soon. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye, honey bunnies.